Let's do some Diamond Kings. Alright, I'm excited to do this because I can't remember the last time I did Diamond Kings. I think I did Diamond Kings a long time ago when I was a kid, like with most cards. But I think it was usually mostly tops. But let's see what we get out of this Diamond Kings. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's see. All right, we got Yogi Berra. Oh yes, we got a rookie card. We got a Bo Bichette. Yes, that's what we like to see. All right, thank you, Johnny Bench, and then a Brendan McKay, followed by the Mike Trout artist palette. What? Thank you. Very nice. After a small intermission, we've got gloves because I forgot. But look at that beautiful, beautiful card. So we are looking at that Bo Bichette, and we're looking at that Mike Trout. Just in case. All right, here we go. We got another rookie, Jake Fraley. Not bad. Another rookie, Adrian Morejon. Not bad at all. What? A third rookie, Jalen Davis. These are very, very, very nice cards. What do we got here? We got a artist proof rookie card, AJ Puck. Oh, and then a Gallery of Stars, Pete Alonso. Not bad. We are liking these Diamond Kings cards. These are nice. Wow. Okay. Very nice. Gallery of Stars. Prism is really where it's at for money. We got another, Gastral. That is a great rookie card to have. We like rookie card. Oh, Los Angeles, we got a Mookie Betts. Okay. And then a Nolan Arenado. Oh, we got another artist proof. Pete Alonso. Very nice. And then a Nolan Arenado. What do we got in here? Bert Bevlin. Fernando Tatis Jr. That's what we like to see. All right. We get a Michael King rookie card. And a Denvy Grulon rookie card. And then look at that. In the Zone, Tim Anderson. Okay. Very nice looking card. Okay. Not too bad. We got 3 packs left. 3 packs left. Let's see, what do we got? What do we got? Trevor Story. This guy's always on fire. Oof, Tony Gwynn. We miss Tony Gwynn. Logan Webb rookie card. Oh, that one looks nice. AJ Puck. What is that? Oh, is that like is that their version of an insert almost? That's very, very nice. And then what do we got here? Paul Molitor. Okay, very cool. Very cool. Number 3000. autographed material card. All right, Manny Machado, not great with the Red Sox. Trace Barrea, rookie card. Oh, we got another artist proof. Grover Alexander. Very nice. Very nice. Randy Johnson, all-time Diamond Kings. Ooh, and the Verlander. Look at that Verlander card. Jeez, it's very pretty. Nice, 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 nice. Okay, and it looks like a gold, something gold in the top right. All right, guys, last pack. I don't know. This did kind of seem like the heaviest one to me, but I could just be thinking wrong. Let's hope. Let's see. We got another rookie card. Aquino. Kyle Seager. Mike Piazza. That's a nice throwback. Nap Logi. Joe DiMaggio. Oh, wow. Okay. It's a DK original. That's pretty cool. Very cool Joe DiMaggio card, even though that's a Yankee card. All right, that is the last of the Diamond Kings. Thanks for watching.